Getting ready to do an oil filter change and get it all ready. It's a little bitch get down in there. Yeah, gotta spin that up, pull that off, put your filter on. It's not bad. Just want to make sure I get everything stabilized. I'm on an angle, so I don't want to get caught into a trap. This should have the seal already with it, so there it is. Alright. Yeah, it's gonna be a bitch, but it's not bad. I can get that. Just gotta unscrew that, pull it up, unscrew the filter itself. On the very end of this is a seal, which is this. You slide this over, you insert your filter, twist it back on, push it in, then reposition the filter cap, tighten it down 1/8 of a turn after finger tight, and make sure you got your amount of oil in it. This one takes 5 quarts, 10W30. Start it up for about 30 seconds, shut it off, let it sit for a minute, check your dipstick, see where your oil is. If you're good to go, you're good. If you need to add more, add a little bit more. Don't overfill it, but please don't underfill it. Well, that's the end of this video. Just wanted to give you an idea of what I'm doing today. But I got a lot of work to do. I got to take the tractor out from there, move that white building, and then I'm going to move the dumpster where the white building is, get that out of the way. It's a workshop, so it's cluttered. All right, everybody. Be safe. Oh, jeez.